Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the QQQ ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 1, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a promising investment, rating it as a buy candidate with a score of 4.71. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. It has witnessed a positive gain of 5.53%. This means that on average, it has yielded a daily return of 0.31% since being designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 15.55% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 7.25% and 17.8%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 36.78% change over the next year. This may lead to a potential return ranging from 20.82% to 45.95%. In terms of price, it could reach anywhere between $497.17 and $600.59 after 1 year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings an important headline: the evaluation of the QQQ ETF has been downgraded after the last trading session. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, December 27, 2023, the price of the QQQ ETF increased by 0.151%, going from $410.88 to $411.50. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if the ETF takes a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.416%, reaching a low of $410.08 and a high of $411.79. Over the past 10 days, the price of the ETF has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a total increase of 3.22% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day, which is a positive sign from a technical standpoint. In total, there were 10 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 32 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $13.08 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for the ETF was $411.79, while the lowest price was $259.73. Currently, the price is 0.07%, or $0.288, below the 52-week high of $411.79, which is also the all-time high for the QQQ ETF. Today, let's take a look at the signals for QQQ. The chart for QQQ is showing mostly positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals further supports a buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $408.26 and $392.19. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 19.74%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that might catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was detected 43 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal occurred 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 36 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was recorded 39 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was indicated 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 25 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Here's what you need to know about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. Let's start with the downside. The ETF has support levels just below today's level at $364.70 and $359.97. When an ETF tests a support level, there's always a risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. For QQQ, that next level is at $364.70. If that's broken, the following support levels are at $359.97 and $343.66. QQQ is generally traded at a good volume, and its daily changes are usually minor, making the risk considered low. In the last day, the ETF had a movement of $1.71, 0.416%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the average daily volatility for the ETF has been 0.93%. Before we discuss the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's first explore some essential fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio might suggest a lower expectation for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, potentially presenting a buying opportunity. Today, we'll explore potential day trading levels for QQQ. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we notice that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that if the right conditions align, the stock could swiftly move upward. To capitalize on this, consider entering a position and using volume as a guide to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point as we anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $397.84, which represents a decrease of 3.32%. This particular ETF has relatively stable daily movements, making it a low-risk option. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 84, which significantly increases the risk involved. Furthermore, there is a buy signal that was detected from a pivot bottom approximately 42 days ago, indicating a potential upward trend. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend for the QQQ ETF. This indicates that the current level may present a buying opportunity. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, December 28, we anticipate QQQ to open with a decrease of $0.377 and start trading at $411.12. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing this information, you are acknowledging your personal responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please let us know in the comments if you agree or disagree with our analysis. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Remember, liking and subscribing to our channel helps us bring you more valuable content. Now, let's dive into the details and wish you successful trading. Have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.